Last lesson, skills. Today, the two commands you'll use every day, /new and /session. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the two most used commands in OpenCode, /new, which starts a fresh session, and /session, which lets you resume a previous one. We will see when to use which, why both matter, and how this differs from chatbot conversation handling. What are commands? They are built-in shortcuts in OpenCode's TUI. Commands that start with a character, /new, /session, /init, /help, /quit. They trigger actions, not conversations. You type them when you want to do something to the session itself, rather than ask the model a question. /new starts a fresh session. It wipes the current context window. The model forgets everything from this session. Use it when the topic changes. You've finished talking about feature A, now you want to talk about feature B. Use it when the window is getting full. Long chats degrade in quality. Start fresh. When should you use /new? Topic change. You've finished feature A, now starting feature B. Long chat. The model is getting confused. The quality is degrading. Wrong direction. You want to start over without carrying the bad context with you. Clean experiment. You want to isolate one question and see how the model answers it cold. All good reasons to /new. /new, a clean slate. The most underused command. /session resumes a previous session. It lists your recent sessions. You pick one. The context window is restored. You continue exactly where you left off, same project, same conversation, same model. Sessions are saved automatically by OpenCode, so you don't have to remember to save. You can come back days later and pick up. When should you use /session? You close the terminal and want to continue. Yesterday's work, you want to pick up the thread. Switched machines, OpenCode can sync sessions if you've set that up. Or you simply want to reread what you did. Sessions are a record of your work, and /session is how you get back to them. How does this differ from chatbots? ChatGPT saves chats in a sidebar. You click to resume. OpenCode saves sessions, and /session lists them. Chatbots let you have many chats open at once in different tabs. OpenCode's TUI typically does one session at a time. You finish or pause, then start another. Different workflow, same core idea. Sessions are saved. You can always come back. Here is a discipline most people miss. They use /new too rarely. Long chats degrade, the model forgets early context, the window overflows. Topic mixed chats confuse the model, it doesn't know which topic you're on. Better is many short focus sessions, each on one task. Worse is one long everything chat that ends up being about nothing in particular. Quick mention, sessions have names. OpenCode auto-names them based on the topic of your first message. You can rename them later, which is useful when you have many. Sessions become your work log, searchable history of what you did, when, in what project. Powerful for and for sharing with colleagues. Other useful commands to know about. /init tells OpenCode to study your project and write a draft agents.md/help, lists all commands available in your version of OpenCode. /quit leaves OpenCode. /share produces a link you can send to a colleague to share a session. We'll cover most of these in detail in later phases. If you remember one idea, many short focus sessions beat one long everything chat. /new starts fresh. /session resumes a saved one. Sessions are saved automatically. Use both liberally. Don't be precious about starting over. Concrete scenarios. Starting a new feature, /new, clean slate. Picking up yesterday's work, /session, find yesterday's, resume. Model getting confused in a long chat, /new, start fresh. Want to compare two approaches side by side, /new twice, run in parallel sessions, compare the answers. /new is cheap. Use it liberally. Session hygiene. Rename sessions when you create them, easy to find later. Use /session weekly to clean up old ones. Archive sessions you're done with, most pickers have an archive option. Don't keep hundreds of stale sessions around, they slow down the picker and make finding things harder. Treat sessions like emails, keep the inbox manageable. Naming conventions. Pick a pattern and stick to it. Feature name is common, login form, dark mode, checkout flow. Date prefix works for chronologically ordered work, 2026-1-15-debug-thing. Experiment X is good for trying things out. Whatever you pick, be consistent. You'll thank yourself in 3 months when you're trying to find that one session. Parallel sessions, an advanced workflow. Open 2 terminal windows. Run OpenCode in each, on the same project. Different models in each, compare how Claude versus Gemini answer the same question. Different prompts in each, explore variations without losing your original direction. Parallel sessions are a power user move. Not for every day, but very useful when comparing options. Quick recap. Slash commands start with a slash and trigger actions. Slash new starts a fresh session. Slash session resumes a saved one. The discipline is many short focused sessions, not one long everything chat. Here is a small mental exercise. We haven't installed OpenCode yet. Think about your last chat with ChatGPT or Claude. Could it have been 3 focused sessions instead of one long everything chat? Plan to use slash new aggressively when you start using OpenCode. The habit pays off immediately. Coming up next, custom slash commands. We've covered the built-in slash commands. The last step in phase B is learning how to wrap a skill behind a slash command of your own. Then we're ready for phase C, installing OpenCode and using all of this for real. Many short focus sessions beats one long everything chat. Sessions are a work log. Search them later. Slash new, fresh start. Slash session, come back. 2 commands, daily use. Thanks for spending this time with me. Next, custom slash commands, wrap a skill behind your own command.